Hey, Sean here from SpeedCubeReview.com. I got a package from MoYu. This is their new 2x2. Let me find the right term for it. The WeiPo version 5 20 magnet ball core Maglev magic cloth version. I'm actually pretty excited when it's standard, so we don't have these 50 word long names for things. Okay, so as far as 2x2 goes, I like doing it. I learned CLL for the most part. Some algs were not great, but I learned it. And my average times went from oh, awesome. Nice. My average times went from like 6 seconds to 4 from using Ortega. And feels nice. Oop, there we go. Got stuck a little bit. Getting stuck a lot right now. It's very clicky, very magnetic. There's like no lubrication in here. Are those spots for more magnets? Hold on. I see them on the inner edge there. What about these pieces? I want to take a piece out and look at it to see, is there a spot for a magnet? And there's got to be. Here, that would be maybe another 24, 48 magnets. Is there another 48 magnets that could go in here? Was that something they planned on that will happen, or that I just didn't hear about as happening? Well, either way, we have a spring adjustment setting here. It's currently on the lightest, it seems like. It feels 50 millimeters. Let's check. It's smaller than 50. It's 49.3. I'm a big fan of slightly larger ones. I like 51 millimeters. So let's try it a bit, see how it goes. I'll add lubrication after, but I need to use a little bit just because I don't know if the few lockups I've gotten are just for me not doing 2x2 a lot and being used to some larger sizes or anything very specific. Let's see here. Green's looking good. Yeah. I should use actual scrambles. No, it did the wrong thing. That's what I needed to do. Yeah, so the lockups that I'm getting right now are because it feels a little bit wobbly. So I'm going to tighten the springs so it doesn't feel as wobbly to me. The magnets are definitely doing a lot. Nope. I'm forgetting all the algs. Ugh. What was that one? I mean, I know for the, what's it called? COLL. I did that. But I like doing what's normally the CMLL version. Okay, I'm going to just take each side, tighten it. Let's just go all the way. Seems like there are 8 options. I'll go to the highest one, which means I'm going up 7 clicks. Very visual. I can see exactly where it is without even counting. It's a little bit different. Oh, lost my train of thought. There we go. Let's add some lubrication to this. I've got some old stuff from syringes. Actually, I'm also going to loosen the tensions a little bit. So not the compression, but the actual tensions of the springs. Or the screws, I mean. There we go. Okay, now we're cooking. I'm going to loosen it even more. I'm struggling with this. Something's up with it. I'm going to actually get a real scrambler thingy. It's fine. Glowing review. It's a 2x2. It feels nice. It feels pretty like sturdy without being heavy. It doesn't feel hollow, even though it is lighter. It feels like, or at least the turning's lighter. I don't like the size, and the performance doesn't seem to exceed anything that is already out there. So if you like that 49 to 50 millimeter size, this might be perfectly fine. If you like UV coating, this version at least might be perfect for you. This is not something I'll be using, only because I like that 51 millimeter, and I'm not comfortable with it. So there are some algorithms that just, I was not, my hands were kind of getting bunched up with it, and that might just be a practice thing. So is it game changing? No. Is it the next evolution of 2x2? No. Is it another 2x2? Yes. And that is most important. So thank you very much for watching. If I don't watch other cuber videos to get an idea of what something's like before I try it. So I have not seen anything else on this. If you have, and other people have said it locks up or anything, let me know, because or the opposite, I don't know if this is just me or not. I feel like I have a very fluid turning style for the most part. And there was a video years ago where an owner of a different cube store talked about my turning, and in a very not complimentary way said that, or maybe it was complimentary, but it said that I can make any cube work well. So thank you for that. So it's hard for me to tell exactly what works well for other people, but I know some people who watch this have commented, hey, I know I'm going to like this one because you recommend it, and everything you've recommended has worked really well for me. But we'll see. Let me know in the comments. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comment section below as well. Hit like, subscribe for more content like this in the future, and as always, keep following SpeedCube Review for more news and reviews.